Hello, hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharifa. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for my updates. And if you love my video, don't forget to give it a very big thumbs up and leave the comments under the comment section down below. Let's drop into the video.
Our first ingredient, we are going to be using tomato. It is great for anti-aging with the help of vitamin B such as B1, B3 and B5 that may help reduce age, spots, fine lines and wrinkles. It will help us stimulate collagen production and improve on our skin elasticity. We are going to be using lemon. Lemon will help us get rid of the dead skin cells since it contains antioxidants which may help reduce skin damage and premature aging and also detoxify our skin, leaving it with a radiant look at the same time cleansing it. We are going to be using rice flour. Rice flour is excellent for skin lightening and removing the dead skin cells. It will help us get rid of acne and pigmentation spots since it is rich in vitamin B which will help us in production of the new cells. Then it will also help us control acne breakouts. We are going to be using turmeric. Turmeric will help us reduce wrinkles since it has lightening agents in it. It will heal hyperpigmentation, soothing the skin irritation since it's also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Then it will also help us reduce redness. 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Then add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then add in 1 teaspoon of tomato. Before using tomato, make sure that you first apply some small amount onto your skin and monitor your skin reaction. If you cannot tolerate the acidic agents in the tomato, please don't use it. Instead, you use milk. So add in like 8 spoons of lemon juice. Then you start mixing the ingredients very well until you make a smooth, clear paste. So the purpose of us putting in our tomato, it will help us, or it will act as our moisturizer for our skin and having even toned skin, and treating our dry skin too if you have a dry skin. Your ingredients, then start applying onto your skin and make sure that you apply in a circular motion. Don't forget to always first cleanse your face before you apply your face pack. Massage this face pack for 1 minute and then you leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. And don't forget to moisturize your skin. I always use aloe vera gel. You can use any moisturizer that you have. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, kindly don't forget to subscribe and watch my previous videos too. Thank you.
Hope you've enjoyed as much as I did. Until next time in my next video, bye bye.